Welcome back to the OpenAI Codex CLI course. When an agent works on your code, it often spins up side processes, a dev server, a file watcher, a build in the background. In Lesson 23, we learn to see and control them. The /ps command lists the background terminal's codex is running, and /stop shuts them all down at once. Let's keep those processes in view. Here's a session where the agent has started a couple of background processes. Let's inspect them and then clean up. We type /ps. Just like the process list you know from the shell, this shows every background terminal codex currently has running, along with a snapshot of its output. These are long-lived jobs the agent spun up on its own. Here's the list. We can see a dev server humming on a local port and a file watcher recompiling on changes. Each entry shows its status and recent output, so nothing the agent started is hidden from us or quietly burning resources. This visibility matters. Without it, an agent could leave a server or a watcher running long after you're finished, eating a port or CPU in the background. With /ps, every side process the agent owns is right there in front of you. Now we're done with this task, so let's clean up. We type /stop. This stops all the background terminals at once, in a single move, rather than hunting down and killing each process one by one from another window. And they're gone. The dev server and the watcher have both shut down cleanly, freeing the port and the CPU. Together, /ps and /stop give you full control over the side processes an agent spins up. Here's what to keep. The /ps command lists the background terminal's codex is running, with each one's recent output. These are lasting processes the agent started, things like a dev server or a file watcher, and this pair lets you see them and shut them all down at once. The /stop command shuts all background terminals down at once, so nothing keeps running unnoticed. Head to Standarity.com for the full Codex CLI course, and join us in Lesson 24, where /memories and /import handle memory and importing from Claude.